Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can link pages on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, one of the ways which you can do this is you can make a menu under appearance, and you can, link pages through that menu. So for example, if I go into test, I can create the menu, and you can automatically add new top level pages to this menu. However, I won't. So I'll just create a test menu. And once that's done, you just need to select which pages you want to add. So for example, the home, the about, and the quiz. I'll just select those. And you might have some posts, which you can also add, custom links or categories. That is entirely up to you. Select these, click on add menu. And once that's done, your pages will be added to the menu, which will then link in the header most likely. Now, there is another way to do this. If I go and visit my site, and let me just save the menu first. I'll go over and actually edit my site. So once this is saved, I'll go into the editor, and here I'll show you guys another way. So first, let me just go ahead and start editing, and I'll delete this block over here. And now, as you can see, we have an empty block. First, let me add a new one. So I'll just add another paragraph right over here, and for some reason it doesn't want to go to the middle. I was hoping that will happen, but it doesn't really matter. And here you can add any sort of text. So let's just add some random A's, and further down I'm also going to add a button. So once we have these two, you can select all the text that you want to link and click on this link. And then if it's a page on your site, just go / and select whichever page you want. For example, Java dev should exist as a page, and it doesn't. So let's go into quiz. So I'll just link quiz, and I'm pretty sure it's case sensitive, and for some reason it doesn't want to work. So it'll just give you a list at the bottom here if you want to as well. So just click quiz, and as you can see, now that is linked and the text should be underlined. You can say do the same thing with the button. Just click the link and search for the appropriate page that you want. So for example, quiz, and that should be it. You might need to go ahead and actually copy over your URL for buttons. I'm not sure why that happens. So let's just go over, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Add the entire text, and your button and your text should now work. So if I go over and actually view the site, if I click on, oh yeah, I didn't save the changes, so let me go ahead and save them really quickly. And once that's saved, let me go over into view site. And as you can see, the button is missing because it doesn't have any text. But if I click here, as you'll see, it went into the form page. Now, let me just add some text here on this button. I'll just make some other A's, save the changes again, and now the button should appear. So if I go into view site, there we go. And if I click the button, it'll take me to the same page. And that's pretty much all you need to do. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.